Okay, pretend. What you gonna do at the wedding? Okay, you're throwing the leaves. Okay, how you gonna do it?
Fast.
Not fast, pretty. Do it pretty. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, pretend you're putting the leaves. Okay, walk. Oh, so good. Okay, you're gonna have to do it in a straight line only. Okay? Okay. Very good. All right. Good job, Lex. Hmm.